Okay, everybody, I want to touch here just real quick on journal entries. To get to journal entry, what I do is I come over here to the New button and to the journal entry. Now, journal entry is just a way to transfer amounts between accounts. And again, this isn't something I really recommend you using a whole bunch. This is generally something that bookkeepers or accountants do, and you can pretty much complete all the functions that you need to using the other built-in processes within QuickBooks. But if you need to know where journal entries are at, that's how you get to a journal entry. And to complete a journal entry, you enter the journal date, and then the journal number, and then what we do is we debit and we credit the accounts. Now, you have your account here, your debit, your credit, your description, and then, of course, your name, which would be your customer, basically, or whether it be a property or your tenant, or your class. Now, really, for most, okay, here's what we'll do. On this, what we'll do is we'll use a simple bank transfer as a demonstration, but again, you can make bank transfers in other ways, but we'll just use that for demonstration purposes. So let's say that we're going to transfer a security deposit for $76.19 from the remaining damages that are left over. We're gonna capture those like we did in a previous video. Okay, so the way this works, we're going to enter our journal date here. We are going to enter our journal number. And then with this particular example, we are basically going to transfer a security deposit. We're going to capture deposit damages from our deposit account and move that over to our operating account. So typically, journal entries start with their debits. So we're going to enter our operating account, and debit will be $200. Y is going to be to capture the deposit, and then we're going to link it to that $76.19 account. And then we're going to take the money from the security deposit account, credit it. There's your description, there's your class. And then with any journal entry, I like to have some sort of supporting document if at all possible. So you could drag that over to attachments or attach it there, and then we're going to save and close. And then from here, what you see is this is our operating account. And you can see on 9/20, we did the journal, captured the deposit for this location, and it increased our balance by $200. So that's the way that a journal entry would work. And there's a lot of different things you can do with a journal entry. This is more of an accountant's type function, though, and anything that you need to do, generally you can do within QuickBooks without having to go into your journal. So again, for example, instead of doing a journal entry and trying to figure out your credits and debits, just go to a transfer. It makes it easy. From to. So I'd highly recommend that you use the built-in functions of QuickBooks if at all possible. But I certainly wanted you to know where to go if you did find yourself needing to enter a journal entry.